Discover smart, simple and serene student living at June Homes 10029 in New York. From convenience to campus proximity, this New York City student accommodation has it all. Choose from a large variety of gorgeous ensuites and non-ensuites equipped with a cloud-like bed for dreamy sleep, ample closet space to organise your style, and a TV for cinematic movie marathons and more. Unlock top on-site amenities like an expertly equipped kitchen for all your culinary experiments, in-house laundry facilities to skip tiring laundromat runs, and warp-speed Wi-Fi for uninterrupted uni hustle. This perfect location puts you just a short drive away from the Icahn School of Medicine at Mount Sinai and Columbia University for an easy, everyday commute. All it takes is a fun car ride, and you're there. Make your Big Apple adventures effortless with buses from 3rd Avenue or Lexington Avenue and the nearest subway at 103rd Street. So get ready for an unforgettable NYC University experience by booking your room at June Homes 10029 via amberstudent.com now.